In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales orders in QuickBooks Online Plus. To make a clean, accurate sales order, you first need to set up the services you sell in your products and services list. That list drives the line items on your sales forms, so getting it right up front saves time and prevents mistakes later. I'll walk you through creating a service item now, then you'll be ready to use it on a sales order. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing in to your company. From the main dashboard, look to the top right for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Open it and choose Products and Services. This is your catalog of everything you offer, both goods and services, along with the pricing, descriptions, and accounting behind each item. Inside Products and Services, select New to add something to your list. You'll see several item types. Choose Service. This tells QuickBooks that you're adding work you perform rather than a physical product. Now fill in the details. Give your service a clear, customer-friendly name so it's easy to find when building a sales order. If you use internal codes, you can add an optional SKU, but it isn't required. Add a default description that explains what the service includes. This can appear on your sales order, and you can still tweak it later for a particular customer. Enter your standard sales price or hourly rate. If your pricing varies, you can leave the rate blank and set it case by case when you build the order. Choose the correct income account so revenue from this service lands in the right place on your profit and loss. If you charge sales tax on this service in your region, mark it as taxable so QuickBooks calculates tax automatically. If you organize items with categories, pick one to keep your list tidy. And if you use classes or locations, you can set defaults here to streamline reporting. Before you save, double-check spelling, pricing, and the income account. Clear names and consistent descriptions make it much easier to search and help customers understand what they're buying. When everything looks good, select Save. That's the setup done. With this service created, you can add it to a sales order by typing its name on a line. QuickBooks will pull in your default description, rate, and tax settings automatically. A quick tip: avoid creating duplicates with slightly different names, and review your products and services list periodically to keep it organized and accurate. This simple preparation ensures your sales orders are fast to build, consistent, and ready for reliable reporting.